मैं सोच रही थी
हाँ.
कि हम एक रेटिंग गेम खेलते हैं.
Okay.
Whatever question you might have, it should be on the basis of rating.
Okay.
Rating means maybe in terms of 1 to 10, whatever you rate, and you have to give a reason for it.
Reason for rating.
Yes, rating whatever rate you give to yourself or to me or
अच्छा.
whatever.
Okay.
ठीक है?
Okay.
Let's start with the first question. You'll get
Okay.
an idea as to what kind of questions maybe.
Okay.
Got it?
ठीक है.
So first question,
Hmm.
rate yourself in terms of what you feel or how much you feel that you are interesting.
Interesting question first of all.
Yeah.
So are we rating in 10 or 5 or
1
what?
से 10 तक के बीच में.
1 से 10 तक के बीच में. How interesting I think I am.
Yes.
Okay, for myself I am the 10 on 10 interesting.
Wow.
For my, like in my head, for myself I am to like full on interesting.
Okay.
But if I have to give a third person view.
नहीं, third person view नहीं है. This is your own view for yourself.
Own
Third
view
person
for-
view will come at a later stage.
नहीं तो what I think, what people think about me.
No,
or,
what
अच्छा,
you think about yourself.
what I think I'm full on interesting for myself.
Okay. Why is that?
Because I am able to entertain myself a lot.
How? That's interesting.
Because I do think a lot of bullshit.
Bullshit.
Yes. And
Bullshit is interesting.
at least for me it is.
Okay.
I find
What is that bullshit?
it could be anything. I can find humor in few of the gravest situations.
Such as?
I don't know. I mean, I cannot give an example as of now, but I mean, I'm not able to recollect
Okay.
anything. But yeah, I can be very serious, or I mean, depending. I don't know, but more or less, I think I can find humor in places where I should not be finding humor. Nah. I can control my laugh. It's not that I
Obviously.
will not be able to control my life. I can like pretending to be very serious, but yeah, more or less I am like, yeah, that's not like, Trisha, you should not be making fun of whatever is happening right now. You should be a good person. So that is there. And in I do find a lot of weird situations which does not make sense to me, and that somehow is amusing for me. I don't know why, but it is.
That is interesting.
Yeah.
We'll explore this
Topic.
part
Yes.
at a later stage.
Okay.
Coming to the next question.
Okay.
Since you find yourself interesting, which is 10 on 10,
Hmm.
how serious do you think you are in that case?
Okay. Serious in what? With my work, with life, or what?
Serious to yourself, serious to situations, serious to matlab, if you are saying that you are an interesting person
Okay.
according to yourself,
Huh.
similarly, how serious do you think you are?
I am not someone who is very serious.
Rate yourself first before
Okay.
that.
6 or 7.
Okay.
6 or 7. I think 6. Yeah. But 66.5 as average. So yeah, I think I am a 6.5 on serious. I don't take a lot of things too seriously.
Okay.
And too seriously as in I do take, when I'm working, I take my work seriously, or if I'm in a situation which demands my complete attention, then I will be serious. But what general people think should be taken to an X amount of seriousness, I cannot be serious. I cannot be serious for some unnecessary reason, and if I am serious, I cannot be serious for a very long time.
You are not that serious who goes to the hospital serious.
No, I am not serious with
Hospital wala serious.
situation.
But your care hospital is your best
Second
and
home.
favorite place.
Yes. If you have to say like serious and all of that thing, people dying are not serious for me. It's just not. I never found death to be so serious. I mean, yeah, people are upset because someone close to them passed away, and that is a legit thing. People do feel all those emotions. Maybe I either don't feel too much attached, or I think it's everything has an expiry date and we also have an expiry date, and सबको जब जाना ही है, you better be pre-prepared about it and not be like overhyped. Yeah, sometimes it is sudden, that comes a shock, but yeah, I death is something, or situation like these where you should be like at the most serious, I cannot be. I do not take all this
With
serious.
that thing in mind,
Okay.
my next question would be, how much do you think you are judgmental?
Oh, very judgmental. Like, okay,
Judgmental not in terms of yourself, judging people.
judging people.
Yes, because I am to like literally judgmental.
are
I am
to
10
like-
on 10 judgmental.
You two are 10 on 10.
Yes.
judgment. I am. Okay, I have a theory about it. I'll tell you once I rate myself. I am a good 8 on judgmental. I am not
Nice.
a 10 on 10 on judgmental, but I am a good 8, 8.5.
I'm not talking, just to clarify, I'm not talking about making the right judgment. I'm talking
just
about
being
just
judgmental. Judging a
just
person.
seeing a person and judging it.
Huh,
That's
I
it.
am a good 8.5 and
Okay.
8.59 judgmental person. But again, I mean, that is, I am judgmental, but I do not let my judgment make a perception and create an opinion.
These are 3 heavy words. Please.
Okay. So if for example,
एक मिनट पहले तुमने क्या स्टेटमेंट बोला वो बताओ फिर से.
हिंदी में बता देती
हाँ,
हूँ.
हिंदी में.
जजमेंटल मेरा मतलब ये है कि मैं जज करती हूँ लोगों
Okay.
को. इट्स नॉट दैट कि आई डू नॉट जज. आई
हाँ.
जज लाइक फुल ऑन जज.
हाँ.
बट मैं उसको लेके अपना कोई ओपिनियन या पर्सपेक्टिव नहीं बना लेती. उस जजमेंट को मैं फिक्स नहीं करती.
अच्छा.
So for example, let's say if somebody comes to me and if I'm meeting someone for the first time, I won't judge them initially, but in the first interaction, like the first entire day when I am the first meet जिसको बोलते हैं, उसमें I will be judging a person more or less. But अगर मेरा वो first impression is not good, I would not fix that. I would not go with it. I would give that person enough time and myself also enough time to see if I am on the correct line or not.
So you are saying you do not judge a person by appearance but by talking.
Yeah, by mannerism. It's the vibe or the mannerism or the personality or the way
Whosoever he or she might be talking to.
Yeah.
Okay.
I
So
would-
not appearance but more in
No,
terms
I don't
of
go on appearance. I never judge people on appearance. I have never done that, and appearance has never really mattered to me. Yeah, मतलब normal, हाँ अच्छा दिखने वाला, अच्छा नहीं दिखने, that is a different thing. But like completely अच्छा नहीं दिखता तो मैं इससे बात ही नहीं करूँगी. नहीं, never like that. But yeah, personality, yes, I do judge.
Okay. In that case, usually, so if you have to judge a guy,
Okay.
okay, you said you are not going to judge on appearance, correct? So, my question. Anyway, हाँ आ गया. Do you think that you are a feminist?
Nah.
What is the meaning of feminist for you? And do you think you are a feminist? And if yes, on what rating would you say?
Okay, feminist. First, I'll go with the rating. I am a.
First of all, you have to explain what is feminism in
Feminism.
your understanding.
My understanding. एक तो जितना भी सोशल मीडिया पे फेमिनिज्म चलता है ना, मेरे को ऑनेस्टली इतना समझ में आता नहीं है. I think. So I think it all started with a very good concept. When feminism started, it started with empowering women, and a woman being there for another woman and uplifting each other. That's it. That is what
Okay.
where it started from, and that is what my understanding is.
Okay.
किसी woman को courage देना. The only way you can uplift someone, either help or whatever, and most importantly, to teach or educate a woman to stand up for yourself. Because तुम्हारे लिए कोई खड़ा नहीं होने वाला. अगर if you want to make your life better, and I'm talking in every strata and in every which ways, if you really want to uplift yourself, you are the person who has to make all the effort for it. भगवान आके भी तुम्हारे लिए कोई effort करके नहीं देगा. हाँ, उस effort लेने के लिए एक जो courage होता है, वो पहला step लेने के लिए जो courage होता है, या वो guidance provide करना और वो चीज़ें करना, for me that is feminism.
Okay.
इक्वालिटी और ये सब चीज़ें अपने आप उसके बाद ये फॉलो हो जाती है. बट द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग इज टेकिंग दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप. एंड फॉर मी फेमिनिज्म इज इफ आई एम एम्पावरिंग और एजुकेटिंग अ वुमन टू टेक दैट फर्स्ट स्टेप, और somebody who has taken that first step और उसको पता नहीं कि अब किस डायरेक्शन में जाना है, then probably guide her कि listen, for according to me this might be the best thing for you, but here are also your other options. So choose and select. Best is you who can decide for your life. I am nobody to say on that, but this sort of guidance I can give, and for me that is feminism.
How do you rate yourself on feminism?
I am a 7 on feminism.
Why do you say that?
I say that because कुछ अगर आजकल के टर्मिनोलॉजी में जाए ना, कुछ चीज़ें are too overhyped and too, मुझे लगता है ये, आई डोंट नो वेदर इट्स ट्रू और नॉट, बट जो चीज़ से फेमिनिज्म शुरू हुआ था और आज जिस चीज़ पे पहुंचा है, मुझे लगता है कि ये कुछ ज़्यादा ही ओवर हाइप हो गया. सो इफ आई हैव टू, का
मतलब ही नहीं बचा है बेसिकली.
हाँ, मतलब इट्स अननेसेसरी. सो फॉर एग्जांपल आई विल टेल यू, देयर हैड बीन एन एक्स सिचुएशन recently which I came across. So there was this one lady जिसको मैं जानती थी, and she had like good enough like healthy figure जिसको बोलते हैं. Now she was asked कि you know you are healthy या जो भी है whatever XYZ, why don't you like to wear crop tops or something like that. Now her response was, I am comfortable with what body shape I am in, but I just don't feel like wearing a crop top. Maybe I will be able to carry it, but then I am not comfortable. Now that comfortable is her personal choice. ठीक है, but the people around or the females around like, no, you should go and wear crop top and do this and do that, you know, you are beautiful, you are pretty. That woman already know, dude, I am pretty, I know that, I am confident. You don't need to. This thing, when it comes from a woman, it somehow adds that there is body shaming. It somehow adds that you, if you are fat, you do not have that self-esteem. Even if you had, it will somehow play with your psyche, which is not required. You don't need to, मतलब इतना ज़्यादा करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. जिसको करना होगा वो कर लेगा, और हर चीज़ को लेके इतना ज़्यादा बात करने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. उनको सिखाओ जिनको सीखने की ज़रूरत है, विच इज़ आर रूरल सेक्टर. अब जितना मैं सोशल मीडिया देखती हूँ, पीपल टॉक अबाउट बॉडी पॉजिटिविटी, पीपल टॉक अबाउट इक्वालिटी, पीपल टॉक अबाउट XYZ थिंग्स. इंस्टाग्राम उसके पास है जो प्रिविलेज सोसाइटी में है. नॉट एवरी पर्सन हैज़ गॉट इंस्टाग्राम का एक्सेस. Not every person is on 24/7 on social media. Not every person is following every influencer who is on social media. Everybody has a different taste. Now, if somebody is speaking about all these terms and feminism and blah 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 blah, it is not reaching via social media to the person who might actually need it. एक लड़की, अगर मैं now somewhere down the line there are some parts of me for which I am uncomfortable. I won't hate myself. I just don't नहीं करना मुझे. So in that case, I am seeing that body positive वाला thing. I am seeing that thing. But maybe somewhere जो रूरल सेक्टर में जिनके पास एजुकेशन की कमी है, जिनके पास फाइनेंशियल चीज़ों की कमी है, जिनके पास बेसिक नेसेसिटीज़ की कमी, they would not even give an F about body positivity and feminism. For them basic necessity is something. So what you are preaching should eventually go to that area, not in that same circle जिसमें ऑलरेडी ये सारी चीज़ें हैं. हमारा थिएटर बोलो, चाहे एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री बोलो, चाहे ये सोशल मीडिया बोलो, हर कोई वही ज्ञान दे रहा है, विच yeah,
Not
maybe
useful for us, maybe.
not maybe for
हाँ.
a lot of people, again maybe for a lot of people, I just do not relate to it.
राइट. ठीक है, जब ये बात आई है, बॉडी के बारे में बात आई है, तो मैं तुमसे पूछ ही लेती हूँ.
पूछ लो, आज तो पूछ ही मारो तुम. बिल्कुल जे बात.
3 क्वेश्चन पूछूंगी,
ओके.
तीनों का रेटिंग देना है तुम्हें. और चलो अच्छा मैं पूछ लेती हूँ, उसके बाद
ठीक है. ओके.
हाउ मच डू यू थिंक यू आर स्मार्ट, हाउ मच डू यू थिंक यू आर सेक्सी और हॉट, सेक्सी / हॉट, and how much do you think you are smart and hot on a rating basis?
I am 10 on 10 on all 3. I am
Wow.
full on smart, I am full on hot and sexy, and I am full on smart and hot and sexy, whatever.
This is called body positivity. This is called
this is called
smart-
self-obsessiveness. This is not called what. This is called you being self-obsessed with yourself.
Exactly.
I am highly self-obsessed with myself. See, I cannot. Now, why? I'll also tell
Please
you why.
go ahead. People want to know.
Nobody wants to know, but I'm still telling you. You only want to know. I'm telling you. I am smart now. Smartness again. हम लोग स्कूल में पढ़े थे ना मैथ्स में सेट जो होता है.
तुम्हें लगता है मुझे इतना याद होगा? तो
अरे यार.
do you really think I am that good at?
Okay, a lot of things are subjective.
हाँ.
पर्सपेक्टिव के हिसाब से.
Okay.
किसी के लिए मैं स्मार्ट हूँ, किसी के लिए मैं डम हूँ. अब मैं अगर बाहर लोगों से वैलिडेशन मांगने जाऊंगी कि बताओ मैं स्मार्ट हूँ, बताओ मैं स्मार्ट हूँ, बताओ मैं स्मार्ट हूँ.
बट हर किसी को वैलिडेशन चाहिए होती है, राइट?
हर किसी को वैलिडेशन चाहिए होती है, ऑफ कोर्स चाहिए होती है. वैलिडेशन चाहिए होती है, बट हर किसी को वैलिडेशन नहीं मिलती भी है. नॉर्मल लोगों
Yes.
में हम अब वी आर नॉट इन्फ्लुएंसर्स, वी आर जस्ट नॉर्मल. मतलब हम नौकरी करने वाले लोग हैं, हमारे पास टाइम पास नहीं हो रहा तो हम लोग वीडियो बना रहे हैं. ये वाला हिसाब किताब है अपना. ठीक है. नाउ इन दैट सिचुएशन हमें हर कोई
चलो बोल.
हम कहाँ से वैलिडिटी लाए भाई? हमें कौन वैलिडेट करेगा? हम अपने दोस्तों से बोलेंगे, हमारे दोस्त है भी ऐसे, अबे यार क्या पका रही है, भाग यहाँ से. ये होता है.
हाँ.
मम्मी पापा से बोलेंगे, मम्मी पापा तो बेटा तुम बहुत अच्छी, बेटा तुम, आई हाय यू आर दी बेस्ट. ऑफ कोर्स पेरेंट्स के लिए हम बेस्ट होंगे. अब एक्चुअल सिचुएशन क्या है? मतलब ऑफ कोर्स दे वुड मोटिवेट अस, बट what I'm trying to say is I do not count on validation what I receive from others, because that is going to create a lot of pressure on me. That is going to create कि यार मैं दूसरे के हिसाब से अगर validation मांगूँ, कोई validate कर देता then I'll take it. I'll take it also. कोई मेरे को मजाक में भी बोल देना तेरे से तो बहुत स्मार्ट है, तू तो मतलब तेरे अंदर दिमाग का खजाना भरा, तुझसे तो आइंस्टाइन तेरे सामने. I'll take it. I'll not even go ahead and question कि भाई क्या बकवास कर रहा है ना. I
am
agree.
good.
I am. तुमने बोल दिया मेरी जिंदगी, मैं क्यों जाऊँ इतने टेंशन में? Why should I think कि नहीं तुम झूठ बोल रहे हो, नहीं तुम्हारा हिडन एजेंडा है, नहीं तुम्हारा, अरे मेरे को नहीं सोचना, मुझे नहीं चाहिए इतना स्यापा. तुमने बोल दिया मैं आइंस्टाइन की पोती हूँ, मैं हूँ, तुम क्या, मैं खुद बोल रही हूँ मैं हूँ. So I would not rather depend on that. एंड आई वुड लाइक कि त्रिशा तू है, कोई माने ना या माने तू है, एंड यू जस्ट बी हैप्पी इन योर दैट ऑल्सो डजंट टेक अवे द फैक्ट कि आई एम नॉट इग्नोरेंट टू द फैक्ट वेयर आई लैक. आई नो व्हाट मेरे में क्या खामियां हैं, मुझे ये पता है.
That is actually called as smartness.
I don't know what if you're saying that is smartness, I'll take it. Like I said, I am smart. I told you.
Of course.
Yeah.
Knowing your weaknesses, knowing your strengths, everyone, I think that would be the best part.
Yeah. So yeah, I do know where I lag, and I am comfortable with whatever thought I have, because I have struggled with all of this thing. I have been an extreme introvert. From being an extreme introvert, I have literally pushed myself to a zone where I was uncomfortable to the core of my being.
Oh yes.
And after a lot of emotional struggle, and you knowing me that I was an emotional wreck at a point, I have now come to terms with what I am. भाई मैं हूँ ऐसी, मुझे पता है मेरे में क्या खामियां एंड आई एम ओके टू वर्क ऑन दोज बट देन आई लव फॉर व्हाट आई एम आई डू नॉट नीड अदर्स ऑल्सो कमिंग टू हॉट एंड सेक्सी आई एम द भाई डीवा लाइक कौन है जिसने मुड़ के पू को नहीं देखा भले रिक्शे वाला भी मुड़ के ना देखे अरे आगे जाके ऑटो भैया देख लो मैंने डायलॉग बोल दिया देख तो लो 50 रुपए चाहिए एक्स्ट्रा ले लो चलेगा मेरे को बट फॉर मी आई एम तो भाई किसने कौन है जिसने मुड़ के पू को नहीं देखा But
ज़्यादा नहीं हो रही?
भाई मेरे लिए तो मैं हूँ
ज़्यादा नहीं हो रहा है?
इट्स ओके कौन सी करीना कपूर मुझे देखने वाली है
Fine.
Yeah. So yeah, I am very hot, I am very sexy, I am very smart. 10 on 10 on all the 3 parameters.
I think I should stop this.
No, go ahead, please. I am
No,
enjoying it.
I am done with the questions. I think the last question I have is
Yeah.
might be stupid,
Okay.
but I still have.
Okay, go ahead.
Do you think you inspire people?
No.
Rate yourself in inspiring other people.
Can I rate -10? यार मैं किसी को क्या इंस्पायर करूँगी मेरे में इंस्पायर होना लाइक क्या है मतलब अगर कोई हो जाता तो प्लीज़ मुझे बता दो मतलब आई विल बी हैप्पी आई कैन एटलीस्ट गिव माई सेल्फ 1 point बट नो आई डोंट थिंक आई हैव इंस्पायर्ड एनीवन
ठीक है, अब लोग तुम्हें बताएंगे कि तुम कितना इंस्पायर करते हो.
ओके
Yeah,
ठीक है
let's wait and watch.
Let's people please if anybody is watching this video please tell me if I have inspired any of you all the 46 subscribers actually
Inspired in not watching the videos.
Yeah.
Inspired in
in any sense.
making videos like us.
Even if we
Yeah.
have inspired you ki you at least know one thing that you should not do it and it's like making videos like we do if that is also inspiration we count it हमें
But it's an inspiration.
हमें उतना भी चलेगा हम बहुत ही सस्ते किस्म के लोग हैं